This story is slow and clear. You can listen and relax. Each line is easy to catch. Part 1, Born on the Ship.
Dark waves hit the ship again and again. A huge ship cuts through the sea. Smoke rises into the cold sky. Inside the ship, a piano waits alone. A man sits with his back to us. He never touched land once. He never touched land once. He was born on this ship. He lived on this ship. He died on this ship. The world never wrote his name. The world never wrote his name. The ocean never forgot him. The ocean never forgot him. People later called him 1900. Long ago the ship crossed the sea. A worker cleaned the first-class hull. He heard a strange sound. He walked to the piano slowly. A box sat on top of it. He opened the box. A baby cried inside. The ship kept moving forward. The man felt his heart change. The man felt his heart change. He chose not to walk away. He chose not to walk away. His name was Danny. He was poor and alone. He believed the baby was a gift. He believed the baby was a gift. He decided to raise the boy. He decided to raise the boy. Danny hid the baby from others. The ship crossed city after city. Years passed inside the ship. The boy grew among machines. The sea rocked his sleep. The sea rocked his sleep. The ship shaped his world. The ship shaped his world. Danny showed him old papers. Letters formed slow meanings. The boy learned words from ink. The boy learned words from ink. Danny watched with quiet pride. Danny watched with quiet pride. Inspectors walked the ship often. Danny pulled the boy into shadows. Fear lived inside Danny. Fear lived inside Danny. He feared the land most of all. He feared the land most of all. He told the boy the land was cruel. He told the boy the land was cruel. He said the ship was safe. He said the ship was safe. The boy listened and believed. He watched the world through glass. He felt joy and loneliness together. He felt joy and loneliness together. One day, the ship shook hard. Men shouted below deck. Danny did not come back. The boy waited and waited. The boy waited and waited. No one answered him. No one answered him. His world lost its only voice. His world lost its only voice. He became alone for real. He became alone for real. The captain learned the truth. He planned to send the boy away. The boy disappeared that night. Police searched every corner. Silence filled the ship. Weeks passed without answers. Then music rose at night. Notes flowed through halls. People stopped and listened. The captain followed the sound. A small boy sat at the piano. His hands moved without fear. His hands moved without fear. The music felt alive. The music felt alive. No teacher stood beside him. No teacher stood beside him. The sea seemed to answer him. The sea seemed to answer him. The captain asked how this was possible. The boy spoke without thinking. He did not care about rules. He did not care about rules. He cared about sound. He cared about sound. The captain made a quiet choice. The captain made a quiet choice. He let the boy stay. He let the boy stay. Nights filled with music after that. Passengers gathered and smiled. The boy became the ship voice. The boy became the ship voice. A legend started without notice. A legend started without notice. Years later, he still stayed. Years later, he still stayed. The land stayed far away. The land stayed far away. The ship gave him edges and limits. The ship gave him edges and limits. Endless streets scared his heart. Endless streets scared his heart. Now think about his choice. Now think about his choice. Think about your own place. Think about your own place. Is safety a home or a cage? Is safety a home or a cage? Is freedom always kind? Is freedom always kind? Share your thought below. The journey is not over. A new music soul will appear. A new music soul will appear. Two worlds will face each other. Two worlds will face each other. That story comes next. Do not miss part 2.
We tell movie stories in simple English, so you can picture everything in your mind and learn English naturally through understanding. Follow the channel and make learning English easier.